Hello, let's start with the question 1. This is SAT1, new SAT1 OG practice test 1. So question 1 says that you're looking for what is the value of x. In this case, you will see given that k equals 3, then you actually can replace or substitute k by 3 here. So then you have the equation looks like x minus 1 over 3 equal to 3. And x actually equal to 3 times 3 equal to 9, and then minus 1 move over become plus 1. So x equal to 10 for the first one. So the answer is D. So now look at the second question. They're looking for the sum of 7 plus 3i plus negative 8 plus 9i, which is pretty simple. Because given that I equal to square root of negative 1, which is an imaginary number where we don't need to care about, because the choices here, look at the choices here are all in the form of I. So technically you can assume that I is an x. So what you're going to do here is you do 7 plus 8, negative 8, you got a negative 1, and then 3i plus 9i equals 12i. So this answer will be A. Now we continue with question 3. In this case, we can look at the question 3 by seeing that the last sentence. Which of the following represent the total number of messages? And they're looking for the total number of messages and sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon. The total is sent out by these two persons. So now look at the information. Information you see there, we have Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, so 5M is how much Armand sent. And Tyrone sent P for 1 hour for 4 hours plus 4P. So the answer is 5M plus 4P, which is C. Now let's go to question 4. This question looks like a long question because you look at the choices. They have KT will A, KT will complete the prepays within 108 days. KT start each week with 108 fonts fixed. KT replace fonts at the rate of 108 per hour. KT replace font at the rate of 108 per day. So by looking at the equation where P equal to 108 minus 23D. If you remember from the coordinate geometry, this is a linear equations where negative 23 is your M and this is your y-intercept, okay, which is your B here. So if you notice that if I rewrite this equation again, so I have P equal to negative 23D plus 108. So what they want to find, what is the meaning of value of 108 in this equation? 108 is the y-intercept. What does that mean? When D equal to 0, then P equal to 108. So now what is P? P is the number of font left. So P is the number of font left. So means that when D, what is D? D is the number of days she has worked. So which means when she start at day 0, she get 108 fonts at the beginning. So in this case, C and D are out. They don't talk about within 108 days because this is the number of fonts. So the answer is obviously B.